Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I did for the $5 Goodwill challenge. So this challenge is hosted by Hillary over at Old World Home. She hosts this challenge every season, and the goal of the challenge is to spend $5 or less at your local Goodwill or a thrift store or anywhere you can find something secondhand and bring some seasonal decor into your home. I will also leave the playlist linked down in the description box. That way you can check out all of the other participants in the challenge and you can see what they came up with. So now I'm going to show you what I ended up purchasing and how I styled it into my home. So I ended up buying these gorgeous green ice cream glasses. They were 69 cents each and I bought all 6. So my total with tax came out to around $4.50. If you watched my previous thrift haul, you may have wondered why I didn't get these glasses, and I will link that video at the top of the screen in case you missed it. Of course I had to get them because they were so beautiful, but I wanted to save them for this specific video and the challenge. So the glasses were beautiful just like they were, but I wanted to add a little something else to them just to make them pop and have more of a spring feeling. So I had this wreath in my closet that I actually forgot that I had. I think I used it 1 year. It's in really good condition, but I don't think I would ever use it again on my door. It had some beautiful peony and little hydrangea sprigs all around it, so I thought it would be cool to incorporate them into the glasses. So I decided to kind of deconstruct my wreath, and what's great about it is I can actually pop these right back on really easily if I ever wanted to use this as a wreath again. So I took off 6 of the peonies and I put them to the side. And then I also took off 6 of the little hydrangea sprigs. So then I put the peony flower down inside of my glass and it fit perfectly, like it was meant to go inside of this little cup. And then after I did that, I took the hydrangea sprig and I placed it on top of the peony just to kind of add a little bit more texture and some color. I think it looks so cute. It looks like a little ice cream flower sundae. So I repeated this step 6 times until I got all of my glasses full. So I knew right away that I was going to put these little green ice cream flower sundaes inside of my hutch that I just recently gave a makeover to. So this used to be my grandfather's and I did give it a little bit of an update. So I already had tons of green glassware and green items already in the hutch, so I thought these little green glasses would mix in perfectly and the little flowers on top would be just the right little amount of spring and color. So here's a close-up of this side. And here's a close-up of the other side. So I love how everything came together, and I'm going to keep this in my hutch for a couple of weeks, and then I am going to switch it out to all pink items. So I will be making a video on that, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see how that turns out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next. And don't forget to check out the playlist that I will have linked in the description box. That way you can check out all of the other YouTubers and you can see what they did for this challenge.